One of the standard features in QuickBooks Pro, QuickBooks Premiere, QuickBooks Enterprise, and QuickBooks Online Plus is Customers and Jobs Tracking. The Customers and Job Tracking feature is to track both income and expenses for customers and jobs that you want to be able to run a profit and loss report by customers and jobs. This report is named Profit and Loss by Jobs in your QuickBooks product. One of the first things you need to determine before using your QuickBooks product is, do I need to track customers and jobs' income and expenses? Businesses that would want to utilize this feature are making a lot of purchases that are for specific customers and jobs. If you decide you do need to track customers and jobs' income and expenses, understand this. You will need to utilize that feature for all customers and jobs' income and expenses. If you do not, you will not have an accurate and/or complete Profit and Loss by Jobs report. If you only want to use the invoicing feature, does that mean you have to also track each expense for customers? No, you do not. You can use the invoicing feature to only track income if you decide when reviewing the accounts receivable section that you want to use that feature. Do I need to enter a customer and jobs for every transaction entered in your QuickBooks product? No, you will only enter the customer's and job's name when creating invoices and entering expenses that are specific to customers and jobs.